Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Huntertown, local and long-distance movers near me. A move is a long-distance relocation over 50 miles away from your current address. 3 Movers hires efficient and qualified movers, and our movers are skilled at sorting, organizing, packing, and loading different items. We wrap and box all your belongings and load them into the spacious compartment of our trucks. We have high maintenance policies for all of our trucks, and we also perform routine checks before putting them on the road. Our drivers are fully licensed, and they have experience making long-distance trips. Our trips are smooth because we work with interstate and intrastate relocation authorities. Our drivers also obey every highway rule and regulation. In addition, we have put adequate insurance in place to cover risks during the move. It would help if you had expert assistance for your local moves. 3 Movers offers prompt, dependable, and highly efficient local activities. We are a favorite of the locals in Huntertown because we dedicate our time and efforts to deliver the best. We also provide the cheapest local moves. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. When you reach out to our local movers, you enjoy top-of-the-line moving services at budget-friendly rates. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Huntertown moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.